really special part of this landscape is this river has carved a path through an ancient landscape. It's been the lifeblood to people for thousands of years and continues to do so. Alongside the river there's a coolness and tranquility. When you get away from the river there's a different landscape out there. There's wide open skies and spaces. It's unique in Australia. There's a huge diversity of plants and flowers and animals and birds. It's a really special part of South Australia. I grew up in Renmark. I've spent a beautiful childhood running along bare feet along the banks of the Murray, walking out on the floodplains with my dad and sisters, fishing and boating and exploring this beautiful part of the world. It's really hard to pick a favourite part of the walk, but I guess I love the quiet moments where people are discovering the magic of the Murray on their own. Favourite part of the job for me is interacting with guests, the walking and talking, sharing stories, and I guess you could say the track has become imprinted with conversations from people all around the country with all sorts of stories that we share along the way.